Some desserts don't just smell good, they feel like home. Today we're making an orange cake that's soft, fragrant, and full of sunshine. No complicated steps, just simple ingredients. A bit of time, and a perfect result. Let's bake. Here's what you'll need. 3 eggs, 150 grams of sugar, 2 small to medium oranges. We'll use the zest and juice. 100 milliliters of vegetable oil, 180 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. First, I grate the zest from both oranges using a fine grater. Just the orange part, not the white. Then I cut them in half and squeeze out the juice by hand. You can already smell the citrus freshness in the air. The aroma is already filling the kitchen. Crack the eggs into a bowl. And add the sugar. Whisk until the mixture becomes pale and fluffy. Pour in the oil, fresh orange juice. And that fragrant zest. Mix gently. Stir until smooth. Now sift in the flour, baking powder, and salt. Stir just until combined, don't overmix. Grease the pan with oil. Pour in the batter. Place it in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius. Bake for about 40 to 45 minutes until golden on top. Let's make the glaze. Powdered sugar and a bit of freshly squeezed orange juice. And just like that. Check with a toothpick. It should come out clean. The crumb is soft, moist, and evenly baked. Drizzle it over the top. Your cake looks bakery perfect. Add a little zest for extra flavor and beauty. The aroma is a celebration. The taste? Sweet, but not too sweet. Perfect with tea, coffee, or on its own. If you like this recipe, leave a like and subscribe. Save the video so you don't lose it. And let me know in the comments. Would you like to try a lemon or mandarin version next? Happy baking. See you soon.